10 Most Common Financial Mistakes and How to Avoid Them. Today, we're going to be discussing 10 common financial mistakes that people make and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1. Not having a budget. A budget is essential for keeping your finances in order and ensuring that you're not overspending. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going and end up in debt. Mistake number 2. Not saving enough for retirement. It's never too early to start saving for retirement, and the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Not saving enough for retirement can lead to a difficult financial situation in your later years. Mistake number 3. Not having an emergency fund. Emergencies happen, and it's important to have a savings account set aside for unexpected expenses. Without an emergency fund, you may have to rely on credit cards or loans to get through a tough time. Mistake number 4. Not having proper insurance. Insurance is important for protecting yourself and your assets. Not having proper insurance can lead to financial ruin in the event of an accident or illness. Mistake number 5. Not investing in your education. Investing in your education can lead to higher earning potential and a better quality of life. Not investing in your education can limit your career opportunities and earning potential. Mistake number 6. Not diversifying your investments. Diversifying your investments means spreading your money across different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This can help mitigate risk and increase your chances of earning a return on your investment. Mistake number 7. Not paying off credit card debt. Credit card debt can quickly spiral out of control, and the interest rates on credit cards are often high. It's important to pay off credit card debt as soon as possible to avoid accruing additional interest. Mistake number 8. Not keeping track of your credit score. Your credit score is an important factor in determining your ability to borrow money and the interest rates you'll pay. Not keeping track of your credit score can lead to higher interest rates and a harder time getting approved for loans. Mistake number 9. Not planning for taxes. Taxes can have a significant impact on your finances, and it's important to plan for them in advance. Not planning for taxes can lead to a surprise bill at tax time or even penalties for underpayment. Mistake number 10. Not seeking professional financial advice. Financial planning can be complex, and it's important to seek professional advice if you need help. Not seeking professional advice can lead to costly mistakes and a lack of understanding of your financial situation. These are just a few of the most common financial mistakes that people make. By being aware of these mistakes and taking steps to avoid them, you can help ensure a secure financial future for yourself and your family. Thank you for watching.